Hello, welcome back to Cesim Global Challenge for 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips. This is winning tip number 6. INT. It can apply for round 1 and apply for all the round. So remember to check all the 10 video to see the 10 winning tips. Right? This focus on INT also. One of the most important decisions in Cesim is INT. I show you now. You see that in early round, take 1 and take 2 have very high demand, so we can increase this. Remember. Check the total. Take the total here. The unit is 1,000 of USD, so total here is 260 million. 260 million, right? So we need to understand and remember this number to adjust to get the good profit. Investing of 260,000 here is quite big amount, right? Quite big amount, but it is necessary in early rounds. Right? To have good product to start selling better than competitors. So that's winning tip number 6. We invest in R&D to have better feature, more features than competitor to start selling, and you need to connect that with the other report to make sure we have the best features but not spending too much. If you have any question, you send the email to cesimhelp2020@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Take all the other 10 videos to understand the whole winning guide and tip for a round to win all round. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.